happens that a participant unsubscribes from your event and requests a refund of the registration amount? Fortunately, Atleta makes that very easy, even if it concerns the return of a part of the registration fee. Open the relevant participant in the participant overview. Click on the ticket or product and then on Edit. Change the amount to €0 or any other amount. Atleta will then ask you what you want to do with the remaining amount. Choose Refund or Add to Balance. If you press Refund and cancel the order, the payment will automatically be refunded to the participant. If you choose to add the amount to balance, Atleta will remember that this participant still has a balance. You can use this when purchasing another ticket or product for any other event within your organization. Choose Add Order with the specific participant and use the existing balance to bet the amount. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us.